Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance and self-help book written by Robert T. Kiyosaki. The book, published in 1997, presents the contrast between the financial philosophies of two father figures in Kiyosaki's life: his biological father, referred to as Poor Dad, and the father of his best friend, referred to as Rich Dad. Chapter 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Kiyosaki introduces the two influential figures in his life: his biological father, Poor Dad, who was a highly educated and hardworking government employee, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad, an entrepreneur and investor. He highlights the contrasting financial mindsets and beliefs of the two dads. Chapter 2. The rich don't work for money. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of developing financial intelligence and understanding the difference between working for money and making money work for you. He discusses how the rich focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income while the poor work solely for wages. Chapter 3. Why teach financial literacy? The author questions the lack of financial education in traditional schooling and suggests that parents should educate their children about money and investing from an early age. He stresses the importance of learning how to make money work for you and not being trapped in the rat race. Chapter 4. Mind your own business. Kiyosaki explains the concept of minding your own business, which means focusing on building your own assets and investments rather than working for someone else. He encourages readers to develop an entrepreneurial mindset and take control of their financial destiny. Chapter 5. The history of taxes and the power of corporations. This chapter delves into the history of taxes and how understanding the tax advantages available to corporations and real estate investors can benefit individuals seeking to build wealth. Kiyosaki advocates the use of corporations to protect and grow wealth. Chapter 6. The rich invent money. Kiyosaki challenges the conventional belief that money is scarce and must be earned. He explains how the rich use their financial intelligence to create money through various investment strategies, such as finding undervalued assets and opportunities that others overlook. Chapter 7. Work to learn. Don't work for money. The author emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and acquiring new skills, especially in the areas of accounting, investing, understanding markets, and entrepreneurship. He advises readers to prioritize learning and gaining experience over focusing solely on a high-paying job. Chapter 8. Overcoming obstacles. Kiyosaki discusses the common fears and obstacles that prevent people from achieving financial success, such as the fear of failure and the fear of criticism. He encourages readers to overcome these obstacles by taking calculated risks, learning from failures, and persisting in the face of challenges. Chapter 9. Still want more? Here are some to-dos. In this chapter, Kiyosaki provides practical steps for readers to take action and improve their financial situations. He recommends finding a mentor, surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals, and taking small steps towards financial independence, such as saving, reducing debt, and investing. Chapter 10. Why the rich get richer. The book concludes by reinforcing the importance of financial education and developing a rich mindset. Kiyosaki explains that the rich become richer because they continuously learn, invest in assets, and leverage their resources. He encourages readers to start their journey towards financial independence. These summaries provide a brief overview of the main ideas in each chapter, but each chapter contains more detailed explanations, personal experiences, and practical examples to support the concepts presented. Reading the book in its entirety will provide a more comprehensive understanding of the lessons and insights shared by Robert Kiyosaki. The 7 most important lessons of the book can be summarized as follows. Number 1. Mindset and perspective. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of developing a rich mindset, rather than focusing solely on getting a high-paying job. He challenges the conventional belief that a good education and a secure job are the keys to financial success. Number 2. Assets versus liabilities. The author introduces the fundamental concept of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. Acquiring income-generating assets is the path to financial freedom. Number 3. The importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that traditional education doesn't teach people about money and finance. To succeed financially, individuals must invest in their financial education and continuously learn about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship. Number 4. Building wealth. The book encourages readers to strive for financial independence and not to rely on a single source of income, such as a job. Kiyosaki advocates creating multiple streams of income through investments, entrepreneurship, and smart financial decisions. Number 5. Taking risks and overcoming fear. Rich Dad teaches Kiyosaki the importance of taking calculated risks and not being afraid of failure. He emphasizes that failure is an essential part of the learning process and can lead to greater success in the long run. Number 6. The power of leverage. The book introduces the concept of leverage, which means using other people's money, OPM, and other people's time, OPT, to build wealth. This can be achieved through real estate, investing in businesses, or other ventures. Number 7. Mind your own business. Kiyosaki advises readers to focus on building their businesses or investments, rather than working for others. He believes that having control over one's financial destiny is crucial to achieving true wealth. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad provides valuable financial lessons and challenges the conventional wisdom about money. It encourages readers to think differently about their finances, take control of their financial education, and strive to achieve financial independence through entrepreneurship and wise investing. If this audiobook is of any value to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for listening.